British Prime Minister Boris Johnson is breathing without a ventilator and has not been diagnosed with pneumonia, Downing Street has said. Mr Johnson spent the night in intensive care after his symptoms of COVID-19 worsened and he suffered breathing difficulties. Beth Rigby has the details.
We've had an update now on the Prime Minister's health. This is from his official spokesperson, who said the Prime Minister has been stable overnight and remains in good spirits. He is receiving standard oxygen treatment within that ICU unit, and he has not required mechanical ventilation or invasive respiratory support and is breathing without any other assistance. We've also been told that he has not been diagnosed with pneumonia, and the Prime Minister's spokesperson said that he would update us throughout the day as to the Prime Minister's condition. But some good news that he is stable, he remains in good spirits, and he's clearly not on a ventilator. He has not required mechanical ventilation. I have some other updates from that for you as well, just in terms of the running of the government. There was some confusion perhaps last night as to what the First Secretary of State, Dominic Raab, was and wasn't responsible for. But it's been made clear by the Prime Minister's official spokesperson today that Dominic Raab on security matters will step in as necessary. So if there's a security issue, it will fall to the Secretary of State to decide. And this was what the Prime Minister's official spokesman said. He said, should a National Security Council be required, the Foreign Secretary will chair it. National security decisions will be taken on the basis of collective decision-making. But the First Secretary of State, there he is, Dominic Raab, will chair those meetings. Some other detail on the running of government. We're told that the Prime Minister hasn't spoken to the Foreign Secretary, Dominic Raab, today. We were also told that should Mr Raab become unwell, and I should stress he's not unwell, but should he become unwell, the chain of command will move to the Chancellor, Rishi Sunak. Dominic Cummings, the Prime Minister's most senior advisor, is still not in number 10, but we're told that Sir Mark Sedwell, the man who runs Whitehall, the most senior civil servant, he is still working as usual.